Are you tired of not being able to change your status in Zoho Mail? Learn how to set it to busy in under 30 seconds. First, I'll show you where to find the status menu, then how to select busy, and finally, how to confirm the change. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, click on the green dot that appears next to your profile picture. From the menu that pops up, click on Busy to set your status. Now, click on the drop-down arrow beside the Available status. Then, select Busy from the list. If you see red in your profile picture, you've successfully changed your status. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.